everybody. We are beginning summer vlog. The summer vlogs. We are beginning our summer vlog series, the Bria's Closet summer vlog series. We are here 2018. It's a summer vlog series. I'm starting off in my natural habitat. It is still early. I got my do-rag on. You know, we sleep with designer do-rags out here. We got the Fenty do-rag. We out here. We're starting the summer vlog series. I'm about to order some breakfast from Uber Eats because, you know, like Uber just always gets my money. Uber, the regular Uber app with cars, Uber Eats has getting my coins, you know. But we're starting the summer vlog right now. Like I said, I'm about to order some breakfast from Uber Eats. Now I'm uploading a new video to my channel. By the time this vlog is up, that video will definitely be up because it's going up now. But yeah, I started off the day pretty early. Started off the day productive. Like, I feel very productive. I got up, I edited my video, it's uploaded. I'm about to get some breakfast. You know, it's been a productive morning, so I feel great. And yeah, we have work later, so I'm just gonna get breakfast, you know, chill a little. I have to get ready for work later. And yeah, this summer vlog series is gonna be very interesting, very productive. I want to be doing something all summer, like all summer. I have some ideas in mind. I want to start some new things, get into some new adventures, some new businesses, you know. So now I'm heading off to work. It is 3:04. I have to be to work at 4 o'clock. So I'm heading out now. I'm dressed, I'm ready, and we're about to go. I've been doing a horrible job of vlogging. Like, I feel like I haven't picked up the camera in a week. That is crazy. Like, I'm doing such a horrible job at vlogging, but don't worry, it's gonna get better. We're gonna get better. Update on the week: I've just been working all week. Got my nails done, got a new set, changed up the style a little bit. I always get coffin. This time I got the stiletto. Yeah, I got my nails done, have been working. Went out yesterday for a little bit, and yeah, I'm working again today, tomorrow, and then I'm off Saturday, Sunday. So that's how I've just been working, because usually I work some weekends, but since I'm off this weekend, I've just been working all week. So it's another day. It is Friday. It's officially Friday. The weekend is here. I can finally say that, because usually I work on Saturday or Sunday, or Saturday and Sunday, but this weekend I'm off. So yeah, it's Friday. I'm about to head out to work, and yeah, let's go.
Put it on ice. Celebrate that we made it. I put it on price. That's on God. When your name is a verb and these comments are serving, they swear they know you better than you know yourself. What's up?
Hello, you guys. It is Saturday. I am out here. The weather is amazing. It is 93 degrees today, which is freaking amazing. Like, I love summer, so I am here for the heat. But
did this shit happen over? Drunk in love, we be all night. Last thing I remember is our beautiful bodies running up in club. Drunk in love. If I could say so much, boy, I'm drunk.
so my Fashion Nova package finally made an appearance. Let's open it, show you guys what I got. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little mini haul. Fashion Nova, got the little card here.
This is a return form. Got my little stuff with everything I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I got a little join the Nova team telling me how to post and all that. We also got a coupon code for you guys. So you use code WAVE25 and you get 25% off your next order. So first things first, you guys know Fashion Nova just came out with their Fashion Nova men's. So I went into the men's section, and I always shop major key when shopping. When you're into fashion, you're looking for pieces. If you're a woman, you can go into the men's section. If you're a man, you could go into the women's section. There's things that look unisex in both sides of the spectrum. So I shop in everything. I shop in the men's, I shop in women's. I'm small enough so I can still kind of shop in the kids section, because I went into Zara Kids and got like many things. So I went into the men's section, and this is the one thing that really stuck out to me. Let me get a scissors. Let's do a little mini haul for you guys, since I didn't get to do my other video. But I got this men's shirt. Pretty sure if you guys have been on Fashion Nova recently, you have seen this shirt. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a little satin red shirt, and then it has like this pattern on the side, these like gold and black stripes, which is so bomb. Definitely plan on wearing this like a little shirt dress, and then doing some like strappy heels. Ooh, spicy. And I love that it has like this little V cut, so it's kind of low. And of course I'm gonna unbutton it even more and then just drip it down. Oh, and it has a pocket right here, which I love. Pocket with a little detail. I love extra detailing, and this shirt feels so nice. Like, this was a really good men's piece, and definitely a good unisex piece. So that was the first thing. This, I believe, was like $35. The second thing I got was a dress. I got this ribbed fitted dress. Kylie Jenner actually wore the tan one. She posted on her Instagram like a couple months ago or a month ago, or I've seen it. I like the picture. And then when I went on Fashion Nova, they were like, they had that picture first of Kylie wearing it, but I wasn't really feeling the color, so I got this blue one because I feel like this will look better on my skin. You gotta know what works for your skin complexion, and I think this will complement my skin so bomb. It's a off the shoulder, which I'm here for. I love off the shoulder pieces. Like, I put anything I cut and I create and I DIY into off the shoulder, because I love off the shoulder stuff, especially now that the weather is amazing. Today is hot in New York City. It's blazing hip hop and R&B outside. I do off the shoulder, do a little Rihanna body glow and look all sparkly and glowy. So I got this off the shoulder, blue, has like the faux buttons. Yep, it is faux buttons going down, and it's gonna be fitted, so my body's gonna look right, because you know I've gained some weight, and you know okay, my body's looking great. So yes, moving right along. This dress was $27. Yeah, the tag is here for this one, $27.99. Then I got well, yeah, I was gonna say the right thing. I got another piece that Kylie Jenner wore. All these pieces that Kylie Jenner was wearing, like, I didn't go looking for Kylie Jenner pieces. She just happened to wear the pieces that I really liked. But she was wearing the black one, and I ended up getting the olive green one, because I just love how olive looks on me, and I think olive looks really good on black people. So this, I got this little olive like jumpsuit, bodysuit. It's like a bodysuit. It's gonna be really tight, real fitted. I gotta try it on. So cute, something just cute and chill, and then you can either dress it up or dress it down. So I really like this. And this was $17.99. And then the next thing I got, Amber Rose was wearing this in the pictures, and I saw these pants and I was just like, no, I have to have these pants. Like, as soon as I went on the website, I was like, no, these pants need to come home with me. Like, oh my god. First of all, orange is beautiful, and orange looks amazing on black people. Yeah, I keep saying that because you got to know your colors. You have to know the colors that's going to look good on your skin tone. These pants were $37.99. Stretchy. You see that stretch? Do you see that stretch? Orange. It has this nice white detailing going down the back, the detailing in the front, and then it has the stretchy material at the bottom, and it's cuffed in the bottom, right, going down. Let's see if it doesn't have pockets. I wish it had some pockets, because pockets always make pants and outfits even better. A pocket on an outfit is just bomb. So I'm kind of sad that it's missing pockets, but other than that, these pants are bomb, and I love the belt. Love the belt detail. So cute. Can't wait to try these on. Yeah. And last but not least, they put the sunglasses in this protective case, which I appreciate, to protect them. Had to get some sunglasses. I got these black sunglasses from Sorella Boutique a couple months ago, and they actually broke. So, and I didn't feel like going to fix them, so I was like, I'm just gonna get another pair. And the Fashion Nova had something similar that I got from Sorella Boutique, so I ended up getting these babies right here. Just some simple, sleek black shades that's gonna go with everything. I wore those Sorella Boutiques one out, so hopefully these don't break on me. I'm hoping. And I forgot how much these were. I think they were $7.99. I believe they were $7.99. So yeah, that's everything that I got. Just wanted to do like a little mini haul in this vlog of everything I purchased. You guys will be seeing me rock these stuff. Definitely follow me on my Instagram at Brea Van Kooten when I post my OOTDs. And yeah, by the time you guys see this vlog, you will see a spring summer lookbook up, so definitely check that spring summer lookbook out. And yeah, that concludes this haul.
Next time on Brea's Closet.